aman. Ayo.
Nggak apa-apa, nggak apa-apa. Oke, Rimar, welcome and thank you for being here at DG Cheat. So
Iya,
pretty.
so glad to
Uh,
be here, of course.
Thank you. It's a bit delay ya. Okay, but it's okay.
Emang
Oke,
iya.
oh iya. Oke, buat teman-teman yang baru hadir, mungkin dari followersnya Rimar, selamat datang di DGChat by Dunia Games dengan aku Clarissa Punipun yang akan menjadi host hari ini. Hari ini kita bakal tanya jawab. We will do Q&A with Rimar. Oh, I think Rimar's connection is a bit. Oke, it's okay. Kita sambil tunggu Rimar ya. Oke, jadi hari ini kita bakal ada Q&A bareng kalian juga dan kita bakal pilih 5 orang. Oke, sepertinya koneksinya terputus ya. Nggak apa-apa, kita sambil undang lagi ya. Oke. Jadi nanti kita bakal ada Q&A sama Rimar. Kita bakal pilih 5 orang yang pertanyaannya paling menarik dan paling berbobot ya pastinya. Untuk dijawab langsung sama Rimar. Dan juga nanti kalian bisa dapetin hadiah Google Play Voucher dari Dunia Games. Wah, mantap banget. Luar biasa. Oke nih, kita lagi panggil Rimar lagi ya. Rimar!
Halo,
Panggil bareng-bareng.
maaf.
Rimar! Loh, kameranya hilang. Where's the camera? Oke, oke, oke.
Iya.
It's
Oh,
on, it's on, it's on.
minta
Oke,
maaf
it's
ya.
not on. Tidak apa-apa.
Tapi kamera aku aman nggak? Like, isn't it blurred or not?
It's perfect. You're pretty.
Emang iya.
Iya,
Serius?
cantik. Cantik nggak
Oh,
teman-teman? Cantik ya?
nggak.
Kok enggak? Oke. Nah, teman-teman nih kan baru pada hadir ya, jadi kita bakal tanya-tanya dan juga buat kalian yang ketinggalan kemarin DGA. Kita kemarin ada DGA sama Rimar di Instagramnya duniagames.co.id. Itu kita ada pengumuman pemenangnya hari ini di live-nya. Nanti pemenangnya bakal dapat saldo link aja totalnya Rp500.000. Oke. Rimar, so now you're in Australia, right?
Ya,
Yeah. Which city?
Sydney.
Sydney. Okay. How's
Mhm.
Sydney?
Oh, doing good. The border's open sekarang.
Sekarang sudah open ya.
Ya, sudah.
Okay. How's your daily life there?
Good. Sekolah ko 3 times a week.
Oh,
Ya.
jadi Rimar sekolah 3 kali seminggu ya di sana di Sydney.
Mm-mm.
Oke. Kayaknya sudah pada nggak sabar nih teman-teman. Oke, let's get into the question for Rimar. This is the first question. I hope you're ready.
Nervous.
Nervous.
Takut.
Oke. Jangan takut, jangan takut, jangan. Okay, the first question for Rimar. We at Dunia Games are really curious about how can you speak bahasa Indonesia so fluently? Can you tell the story?
Oh, aku like I started learning when like September gitu. Then I'm talking to someone gitu. Karena we're close gitu. Tapi we're bestie gitu dan we're playing like that. And then mm, I'm learning bahasa juga gitu.
Dari
Tapi
teman,
dari teman tuh,
from a friend.
iya, from a friend gitu. Tapi aku nggak bisa say his name gitu. Oh, nggak apa-apa.
Nggak apa-apa. It's very good. Your bahasa is very good and very fluent. Wih,
Eh,
lancar ya teman-teman. Bahasa Indonesianya Rimar ya kan? Lancar ya?
emang iya.
Eh, iya, iya,
Gimana?
lancar.
Kayak Indo juga, tapi can I speak English? So if it's not,
Okay, it's okay, it's okay.
oh yeah. So I'm started learning bahasa when I'm speaking to this person gitu. Tapi like we're close, we're bestie gitu. Dan apa ya? Then we're playing juga. Then after that, I'm trying to stream gitu. And then I told my mom to like I will try stream gitu. Tapi like for like 2 weeks gitu. Then udah ya.
Oke, aku bantu
Dan
translate. I will
I'm
help to
learning.
translate too. Oh,
Ya,
okay, so
tapi
still delay.
learning bahasa sama viewers gitu.
Oh, oke.
Mm-mm.
Jadi pertamanya itu dari ada teman juga yang ngajarin bahasa Indonesia, kayak
Mhm.
bestinya juga, dan gitu main game bareng-bareng. Kemudian, loh, Rimar hilang.
Malu deh.
Kemudian Rimar juga bilang ke mamanya kalau misalnya dia mau streaming ya selama 2 minggu. Why 2 weeks?
Mhm.
Why two
Karena
weeks?
I'm just like trying gitu.
Oh, oke. Jadi coba-coba streaming 2 minggu. Nah, abis itu dia belajar bahasa Indonesia lagi dari viewers, dari kalian semua. Jadi jangan ajarin yang kata-kata nggak benar ya, teman-teman ya. Ajarinnya yang baik-baik aja ya.
Jangan.
Jangan toksik.
Jangan.
Oke. So, what makes you decide to become a streamer?
At the first place gitu, I really want to be a streamer. I told to my mom that like, Mama, I want to stream gitu. I want to try stream, and then she was like, No, because it's not like it's not like it's not
A
good for me
proper,
gitu.
ya.
Yeah, not good for me. Tapi it's like even though then because I'm still stubborn, like I'm still stubborn to keep asking question gitu. Mama, I want like this gitu, like that. Then she was like, do what you want. Then dah gitu.
Mama tired already.
Mm-mm.
Jadi teman-teman tadi Rimar bilang kalau sih Rimar itu sebenarnya awalnya jadi streamer tuh memang dia pengen banget coba jadi streamer, tanya mamanya, Mama aku mau streaming. Tapi kan kayak streaming itu mungkin di mata orang tua itu bukan pekerjaan yang proper gitu, jadi dianggapnya kurang oke. Jadinya mamanya bilang no, jangan.
Mm.
Tapi
Ya.
Rimar keras kepala dan akhirnya ya udah terserah, terserah.
Mm.
Okay, it's very interesting. Aside from Mobile Legends, do you have other favorite games?
Ya ada banyak gitu. Aku suka PUBG gitu, PUBG, COD, COD, ya bang bang
Hmm,
gitu. Dan ML
okay.
dan sekarang aku suka GTA 5. Kamu
Oh,
tahu GTA 5 gak?
yeah. Role play,
Tahu?
or
Ya
just
tahu.
playing like usual, or role play. Okay,
Oh, role play, role play.
okay. Next up. Oh, Rimar, maybe we can tell this together to the viewers. Could you repeat after me?
Ayo,
Okay, let's
boleh. If I
go.
can, if I can.
Okay, let's repeat after me. Okay,
Mhm.
top up di dunia games.
Top up di dunia games.
Mhm.
Mhm.
Kalian bisa dapetin
Kalian bisa dapetin
mhm, ekstra kuota
ekstra kota
hingga 3 GB.
hingga 3 apa?
Gigabyte.
Oh, hingga 3 GB. Oh, nah.
Wow, so nice. Thank you,
We're still
Rimar.
learning
Weh,
gitu.
it's very good. Bagus ya, teman-teman. Kasih
Ya,
nilai
bagus.
100. 100. Perfect score. Oke, teman-teman. Jadi, tadi promo yang tadi kita sebutin itu adalah promo yang terbatas cuman sampai akhir bulan Maret ini ya. Jadi jangan sampai ketinggalan. Ekstra 3 GB. Yeay. Next question for Rimar. Second
Mhm.
question. So we know that during streaming, Rimar interacts with the viewers a lot. So in your opinion, what are the differences between Indonesian and the Philippines viewers?
When banyak when you're starting streamer in the Philippines, like especially when you're like orang Philippines gitu, and apa ya, they will like tapi gak ada same
Nggak
as
ada?
Indo, iya nggak ada same as Indo gitu. The
Berarti
first
sama.
especially when especially when the person is orang abroad gitu, like Indo or America gitu, or like any gitu, dan apa ya they will like teaching gitu, kasar words gitu, kotor words gitu, tapi gak apa-apa.
Tapi berarti similar ya, similar.
Yeah, similar. Yeah.
Okay. Any other things that you want to add? No, okay. Jadi perbedaan antara viewer Indonesia sama Filipina itu katanya sebenarnya mirip-mirip ya. Tadi kayak ada yang sedikit kasar-kasar. But what's the good part of Indonesian and Philippine viewers for you?
Helpful gitu.
Helpful, okay. Membantu ya, sangat membantu. Okay, next we just talk about the viewers, and now we're going to talk about the differences between Indonesian and the Philippines gamers. So what's the difference?
Gamers ya, like ML
Gamers
gitu.
Yes, all gamers.
Mobile Legends gamer gitu.
Kan?
Gak ada.
Sama.
Gak ada, sumpah gak ada deh. Jago banget gitu. Kalian jago
sama-sama jago.
Gitu. Ya, jago.
Kalau gamersnya sama-sama jago. Oke. Wah, keren ya. So cool.
Gitu.
They all jago. Okay. So, actually, which one do you think is more toxic in your opinion?
Gak mau answer ini.
Oke. So sweet ya Rimar, dia nggak mau bandingin yang mana yang lebih toxic. Pokoknya semua sama. Next question for Rimar. This is our third question. Rimar also often invites fellow Mobile Legends streamers and content creators to play together. So if you have to be honest, who is the most fun to play with?
Most fun? Apa ya? Siapa ya? Banyak orang most fun. Tapi Bang Chol tuh ML player, tapi I forgot his name gitu. Bang
Indonesia or Indonesia, right?
Indo. I just played with him like one time, and then I was like laughing while playing gitu. So funny gitu.
Oh, Pascol. So it's because he's funny.
Funny, Bang Pascol.
Bang Pascol.
Nah.
Okay, I know Bang Pascol. Because he's very funny, yeah. So he's the most memorable for you to play with. Okay, Bang Pascol. But if you have the chance, who will you invite next to play together?
Anti-mage.
Anti-mage? Oke, anti-mage ya, anti-mage. Ada nggak nih anti-mage-nya? Teman-teman bisa ini ya, kasih tahu anti-mage ya. Rimar mau main sama anti-mage. Nah. Siapa tahu di notice. Who knows? Maybe he will notice you and ask you to play together also, right?
Okay.
before the next question, buat teman-teman, kalian juga bisa nonton pertandingan e-sport seru di DGTV. You can watch all the amazing matches on DGTV for esports. Dan caranya gampang banget, kalian bisa download aplikasi Dunia Games di website duniagames.co.id atau langsung aja buka di websitenya. Nah,
Nah.
nah. Okay, next question for Rimar. Could you tell us how you were able to join EVOS in the first place?
Sorry?
Oh, could you tell us your story on how you first joined EVOS?
Oh, aku karena like in Indo aku ada like apa ya, like I like this team gitu, dan PH juga ada, tapi di EVOS I start becoming fun when like anti-mage, because of anti-mage gitu. Anti-mage so jago banget gitu. So iya, then could you the question is, could you tell us how you're entering EVOS, right? Nah, then after that, when my names got like apa ya, got so big gitu, like in Indo gitu, dan Mas Dean contacted me gitu. Mas Dean contacted me, katanya thank you for blah 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 gitu, thank you for supporting us gitu. It's an honor, kata aku it's an honor to be fan of EVOS gitu, dan katanya aku mau give you jersey gitu. Oh, I said, oh, okay, malu. Tapi the first time malu. But like when he want my address gitu, yeah, gitu. Ini my address, dan 3 days or 2 days the jersey is here already.
Oke, tadi ada teman yang nanya subtitle-nya mana. So, tadi Rimar cerita awal mula dia bisa masuk EVOS, teman-teman. Jadi awalnya memang Rimar itu suka juga dengan EVOS karena ngefans sama anti-mage ya. Dari bener-bener ngefans banget ya sama anti-mage karena jago banget, mainnya jago. Kemudian pas Rimar lagi terkenal namanya, EVOS ngontak Rimar. Nah, EVOS ngontak Rimar, dia bilang terima kasih sudah support EVOS dan juga mau kirim jersey EVOS ke Rimar. Rimar seneng tapi malu karena tapi
ya,
tapi
tapi like aku lupa.
kok lupa?
Astaga, aku lupa.
Lupa apa? EVOS kirim jersey, minta alamat.
Lupa. I forgot what I'm going to say. Astaga.
It's okay. You can tell us when you remember, okay?
Ya, nanti.
Okay. Hopefully you will remember what you're going to say.
Astaga.
Iya. Jadi begitu teman-teman ceritanya awalnya dia bisa kontak-kontakan sama EVOS dan kenal EVOS ya. Next, sebelum kita ke question berikutnya. Teman-teman di sini jangan lupa kalian bisa dapetin jersey DG Esports terbaru gratis di dunia games. Caranya gampang banget. Kalau kalian top up, kalian bisa masukin kode redeem DG Point buat dapetin cashback 10% berupa DG Point yang bisa kalian tukerin untuk jadi merchandise eksklusif dari dunia games. Rimar dapat DG EVOS, dapat jersey EVOS. Kalian juga bisa dapat jersey DG. Yes. Next question. The fifth question is about Mobile Legends. Oh.
Astaga.
So cute. Astaga. Could you tell us who? Gak apa-apa. It's no cupu. Rimar jago.
Yeah.
Could you tell us who is your favorite hero in Mobile Legends?
Banyak.
Banyak.
Ya, banyak. Tapi I like to use mostly like Angela gitu, Angela,
Oh,
Nana gitu.
Angela.
Cewek hero gitu. Angela, Nana gitu. Hmm.
Hmm, Angela and Nana. Oke, berarti
Mm-mm.
banyaknya role. Which role that you play the most? I think support. Is it?
Enggak, Rom.
Roam.
Rom.
Oke,
Mm-mm.
ternyata roam ya. Role dia kalau
Mm-mm.
di Mobile Legends banyak kan roaming. Oke,
Mm-mm.
next. Have you meet toxic people in the game?
Banyak, banyak, banyak.
Banyak, banyak.
Iya, banyak.
But
If
how do you deal with them?
hmm, karena if they like trash talking you gitu, you just
Hmm.
ignore them gitu.
Hmm.
Then like you know, like when the game's finish gitu, and you're the like carry gitu, or ada banyak kill gitu. Skills dulu sebelum trash talk gitu. Nah,
Oh,
tapi aku
enggak cupu. Kan carry, kan bisa carry, bisa carry.
enggak.
Enggak. Oke, teman-teman. Jadi tadi dia bilang kalau misalnya pernah ketemu toxic people di game tuh pernah ya banyak banyak di Mobile Legends dia ketemu banyak orang toxic, tapi dia biasanya dia ignore atau di apa ya ignore tuh di tidak diidahkan, tidak ignore, just ignore. Terus
Mm-mm.
buktikan dengan skill. Pas terakhir apa end gamenya ternyata Rimar misalnya carry gitu kan, weh skill first,
Enggak. Enggak.
skill first. Oke, keren ya Rimar. Oke, di next. This is the last question actually. When will you come to Indonesia, Rimar?
Secret.
Secret? Oh, so you have a plan, but you cannot tell when, right?
Hmm.
Oke, nah teman-teman, berarti
Ada.
Rimar
Hmm.
ada kesempatan akan ke Indonesia, tapi masih secret ya, secret. Oke, menarik. Hmm. Okay, so
Apa
since
ya?
many fans are waiting for you here, and since you have a lot of fans in Indonesia, right? Like now,
Hmm.
everyone is mostly from Indonesia and they really like you. Do you have
Mhm.
a plan to start a career in Indonesia?
Actually, it depends on my mom.
Oh,
It depends on my mom. Yeah. It
so
really
what
depends
does
to my mom.
what does she think about your career now in esports?
Uh, Good. Tapi yeah, my mom allowed me to do this, but like I think she will not allow me to go to Indonesia for like staying there for good gitu. No, I
Okay,
think
so maybe
so.
just for events or just some projects, right?
Yeah. Nah.
Oke. Oh, karena teman-teman, jadi Rimar mungkin nggak bisa full di Indonesia karena memang mamanya juga mungkin nggak mau jauh ya dari anaknya juga ya. Kalau but now you're from far from your mother because you're studying in Sydney, right?
Oh no, my mother's here with me.
Oh, jadi
Yeah.
mama juga di Sydney.
Mm-mm.
Wow, very supportive
We
ya.
actually live here.
Oh, so
Like
you live in Sydney.
imigrasi, yeah.
Oke. Oh,
Like
jadi ternyata Rimar memang tinggalnya di Sydney, Australia, bersama dengan mamanya dan keluarganya ya. Oke. Wah, Indonesia jauh ya dari Sydney. Hmm, next question. If you come to Indonesia, which city would you like to visit first?
especially Jakarta. Jakarta,
Jakarta.
Jakarta. Yeah,
Weh, Jakarta.
Jakarta. Yeah,
And the
serious.
second?
Aku mau Jakarta dan Bali. Tapi Bali is the most like for tourists, right? Like
Yes, correct.
tapi aku mau ke Jakarta.
Teman-teman dari Jakarta mana suaranya? Di komen mana suaranya Jakarta? Luar biasa ya. Jadi pertama tuh pengen banget ke Jakarta, Rimar. Kemudian kedua itu Bali, tapi Bali banyak kan memang buat turis ya, buat holiday. Bali dong katanya. Oh, Bali, Bali. Oke. Last but not least. What will you do in the future? Oh, Bekasi.
Di mana?
Bekasi. Bekasi di mana ya bilangnya ya? How to explain Bekasi? It's still near Jakarta, but I'm not sure. Is it part of Jakarta? Itu Bekasi tuh bagian dari Jakarta bukan sih teman-teman? Even I'm not sure.
Kamu nggak tahu ya?
Iya, Bekasi.
Ya udah, nggak apa-apa lah.
Boleh, nggak apa-apa. Nanti dari Jakarta, Bali, lalu Bekasi ya.
Ayo.
Oke. Ayo, boleh. Oke, River, what will you do in the future? What is your plan for the future?
Sekarang aku studying nursing.
Huh? Studying nursing?
I'm studying nursing.
Oh, okay. So you want to work as a nurse or?
I want to work as a nurse. Then if boleh jump to medical science gitu, ayo.
Ayo. But for medical science, so what will you work as if you graduate from the medical science?
Dokter, tapi mau apa ya? Aku lupa apa tuh. You know, like operating a brain gitu.
Oh, like a surgeon?
Yeah,
brain surgeon?
Neuro.
Neuro. Oh, okay. For the nerves, right?
Yeah. If God's will.
Okay. I hope you will achieve your dreams ya. Jadi teman-teman tadi kita tanya planningnya Rimar buat kedepannya. Rimar sekarang lagi belajar kedokteran ya, bukan kedokteran. Perawat ya, suster, nurse, keperawatan. Ya. Tapi kalau boleh, kalau bisa Rimar mau lanjut medical science untuk jadi dokter atau jadi bedah untuk yang bedah syaraf otak dan lain-lain, dia tertarik di situ ya. You're very smart, you know. Really smart.
Enggak.
Pintar.
It's not about being smart. Tapi aku enggak smart, sumpah. It's about like if you want it, you will pursue it, even if it's hard.
Oh, tapi Rimar very humble. Jadi dia bilang katanya dia ngerasa dia nggak pintar, tapi menurut aku dia pintar banget ya. Karena dia ngerasa apapun itu bisa di-achieve with effort, right? With effort. Dengan usaha bisa dilakukan walaupun susah. Wih, keren banget ya. Panutan. Role model.
Apa?
Role model.
Enggak.
Iya.
Enggak.
Okay. So aside from being in the medical science, do you have any dreams that you want to achieve?
Modeling.
Oh, that's really like the opposite of the medical and
Yeah.
Why modeling?
Nggak tahu, tapi aku when I was a child gitu, my dream is kind of like nurse. No, my dream is nurse dan being a doctor gitu, to be a doctor gitu. Tapi sekarang aku mau modeling gitu.
Why modeling? Why modeling?
Gak tahu. Tapi
or maybe because you watch some like modeling shows or something that. Oh.
Kamu
so
tahu
who's
siapa ya? Gigi Hadid.
Yeah, I know.
Ya. nih.
She's your role model.
Mm-mm. Gigi.
Panutan Rimar. Okay. Amazing. So you're inspired by her to become a model. Oh, that's very cool, actually. Okay. Now, actually, we have reached to the Q&A session with the viewers. Yay.
Takut
Ini
kah?
yang paling ditunggu-tunggu ya.
Takut.
Buat teman-teman, jangan kasih pertanyaan yang bikin Rimar takut, ya. Kasih pertanyaan, kasih pertanyaan di kolom pertanyaan di ujung kanan bawah layar yang ada tanda tanya, question mark icon. Di situ kita bisa lihat ada pertanyaan-pertanyaan dari viewers ya. Jadi kita bakal pilih ya pertanyaannya dari dunia games. Rimar mau pilih atau dunia games pilih?
Adanya games pilih.
Oke, dunia games pilih.
Iya.
Oke, we will choose for you. Oke. Oh, oke. Tim kita sudah dapat ternyata nih beberapa pertanyaannya. Kita lihat dari the first question is from at Yeremia.Antonius. The question is in Indo first. Oke. Menurut Kak Rimar sendiri, apa suka dan dukanya menjadi streamer? In your opinion, Rimar, so what is the ups and downs as a streamer?
Oh, like ups and downs, yeah.
Or maybe the pros and cons for being a
Yeah.
streamer?
Oh, so like being a streamer is hard gitu. Tapi the positive, the pros is kind of positive, yeah, right? Positive pros. Yeah, pros-nya you will earning money gitu. Tapi cons-nya sometimes you will feel sick karena you will like playing games gitu and then you're like hours staring at the monitor gitu. Yeah.
So it's tiring ya?
Yeah, tiring. Tapi if you really want it, you will
enjoy it.
Used to it. Yeah, get used
somehow.
to it and then enjoy it. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you Yeremia.Antonius for the question. Jadi aku bantu translate juga. Jadi menurut Rimar, kalau misalnya sukanya itu sebenarnya streaming itu ya fun dan juga dapat uang ya. Jadi bisa untuk sebagai profesi, bisa untuk sebagai living gitu buat kebutuhan hidup. Tapi dukanya itu or cons-nya itu dia tuh capek karena lihat layar terus ya. Tiring, lelah.
Apa ya? I want to add something that because I learned this to someone and then apa ya? And then when you become like streamer gitu, kamu ada life gitu. Like you don't want you don't get what you want. Like you do, tapi like apa ya? You don't apa?
You can say it in English also. Lupa.
Nah, aku lupa. Like you don't have a life gitu. Like you want to go out but you can't gitu. Tapi like because you can't, tapi you need to stream gitu. You only go out when it's like necessary gitu. Tapi if you want like go out somewhere gitu, like jalan-jalan gitu, nggak boleh karena you need to
time management
gitu. Yeah, time management like stream, like tidur gitu dan jalan-jalan if you want. Tapi ya I choose to stream dan jalan-jalan karena aku introvert gitu, so I don't want to go outside gitu. karena Sydney mahal the product like food sini
The
gitu, or
living cost ya.
ya living cost bisa mahal banget gitu. Dan
Hmm.
Melbourne.
Hmm.
Mm.
Oh, so you also stay in Melbourne for some time.
No. I have a friend that she said that Melbourne is cheaper than Sydney. Sydney is like
Oh,
expensive one gitu.
oke. Oke, I will have to translate again. So, jadi Rimar tadi bilang sebenarnya kalau stream itu ada lagi dia itu ngerasa no life karena waktunya tuh habis untuk streaming. Mau keluar nggak bisa lama-lama juga karena ada jam streamingnya. Terus harus ngerjain streaming. Tapi karena Rimar introvert, jadi Rimar juga sebenarnya lebih senang di dalam rumah dan streaming dan main game karena di Sydney itu harga-harga untuk kebutuhan hidup ya, seperti kayak makanan atau produk itu mahal. Jadi kalau di rumah nggak keluar uang gitu. Lebih hemat ya. More, how do you say it? It's like you're saving up money also because you're not going out
Yeah,
so often, right?
yeah.
Lebih hemat
Karena
duitnya.
I'm not going out. It's not like I don't want to expend money, but like I don't have a friend to go out with. Like like I have a lot of friends, but like they're
Online.
have a job gitu. Like
Oh,
yeah. So
okay, I
if
was shocked.
I'm going, yeah, if I'm going out sendiri, tuh sedih banget.
Hmm. Jadi Rimar kadang-kadang suka jalan-jalannya tuh sendirian guys, sedih banget. Karena teman-temannya pada kerja, jadi tidak ada teman. Rimar lucu banget ya. Aduh. Okay. Thank you for the answer, Rimar. And we have our second question from Aldi.gnf. Aldi.gnf. Rimar, kosakata bahasa Indonesia apa yang paling kamu suka? Oh, okay, this is interesting. So, what is your favorite kosakata is more like word or maybe phrase, maybe word. Your favorite word in bahasa Indonesia?
The first thing that I learned is like anjas gitu.
Anjas. But you know the meaning, right? You know the meaning of anjas.
Tapi kata viewersku, it's kind of like wow gitu, wow, anjas wow.
It's a slang, yeah, it's a slang.
Yeah.
Anjas is your favorite
Anjas.
Indonesian word.
Yeah.
Anjas. Okay. Other words maybe that you like?
Enjoy.
It's the same, right?
It's the same. Tapi that's one like you like always saying gitu.
So it's anjas and enjoy. Can you give us the third one? The third favorite word.
Ini kasar.
Ini kasar. You mean the third word is a bit kasar or?
Enggak, ini kasar.
So you like the word ini kasar?
Enggak. The third word is like
Okay. Don't say it. Don't say it. Don't say it. Okay, don't say it. Jadi teman-teman, kata-kata Indonesia yang Rimar suka, nomor 1 itu anjas, nomor 2 itu anjoy, nomor ketiga nggak bisa disebut karena terlalu kasar. Nggak bisa. Okay, thank you, Rimar. Next, our third question is from Aditya Moretti. Waktu kecil, Nimar, suka main Aguan Base atau Chinese Garter nggak? Gen Z sempat main game tradisional. Wah, ini game apa ya Aguan Base? Aku juga tahu. So, when you were small, do you like to play Aguan Base or Chinese Garter? Or maybe other like traditional game?
Aguan? You mean taguan base gitu?
I think so. I'm not sure how to pronounce.
That's like Philippine traditional games like
Oh.
yeah, like Chinese garter, like gitu.
Mhm.
Like tapi di Indo ada Chinese garter juga enggak?
Can you maybe